Today we're playing Believe episode 30, and we started the round as a beast. Okay, so we're playing with Cotton Candy Pink. Yeah, it's me. And Nicole. And the biggest camper. I thought you were the biggest camper because you still camp. No. Well, let's see here. Excuse me? I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get anyone I see. Because it makes it fair. I don't like teaming. Unless they're teamers. Always check behind you if anyone's behind you. Okay, let's see here then. I hope no one's... Uh-oh. Oh no. Okay. Hey, it's Nicole. Ask her in the chat. Where are you? Okay, so let's leave you in there. And now let's find the other players. Always checking. Let me hop over. Where are these people? Hey! Dang it! Now, where are you? Nicole? Oh, I saw that. Let's see here. And now, there were moments of truth. Because. So. Well, I know. Why are you leaving me? He's camping. I mean, I know she's in there, so. I knew it. Don't yell at her. What just happened? Oh my goodness, why did this happen? Don't worry, I'm gonna find you guys and I'm gonna kill you. And Nicole, she's potential, but she's not that good at the game because it's her first time. It's her first week playing, so she's just trying to get used to the game. Oh, you're free, I see. So that means you're out of the room, or not. Let's see if anyone messes up. Come on, where are you? I'm having a tough time. Come to me, just so I can have some fun. Are you? You guys gotta run. Huh? Where are you, people? Okay, let's see. Oh, hey, V. Come here. Why? Stop yelling at me. I'm gonna get ketchup. Bird. I like continents. Which room? The gray? No, of course you're in the green. Yes. Is she camping? No. Of course I'm not. So let's see. I'm gonna wait here. Wait, no. I'm gonna keep going. I'm probably gonna be a AFK soon. AFK, if you know what I mean. Come on, we gotta hack computers and escape him! No. Because I'm talking for Nicole. Because Nicole's not at the house, sadly. So I hope you guys know where computers are. Actually, I'm just gonna stay in the theater by myself, all alone. Or I will camp this computer in Harmony. Or I could go in the middle and check if people are in there. Should I? Yeah. No, I'm just gonna stay in the theater for right now. Why did you just say come on? Are you in the theater? Yeah. Are you sure? I don't see you. I can tell you're trying to hack a computer. And I'm not letting you, wherever you are. Are you sure? You must be here. I knew it. Oh, get her. She's right here. She's upstairs. She's upstairs. Please. She's upstairs. Don't you know that you're supposed to move? I'm stuck. Don't get me first. I'm your... I'll be your angel. No! That cannot be happening. You're not escaping me today. Dang it. Oh. You know what? Fine. I'm gonna let you go. And I know you're gonna get up. Want me to hide the computer? Now, let's go over here and I'm gonna see if more people are here. How dare you? How dare you? How dare you? How dare you? And where are you gonna go? You know what? Nicole, where are you gonna go? Where are you gonna go? Where are you gonna go? Nicole! I knew it. uh, hey, don't get me. But you know what? Since you're over there, I'm gonna bring you somewhere else special. And on your cutie face. Let's see. Wait, I'm gonna tell you something. There's a freezer in the middle. A middle? Okay. Yeah. Oh, I'm not going there because I know you. Why did you scream? Okay. Nicole, where are you? Okay, now it's not there. No. What the? Ah! No. Nicole. I know you're saying that. Nicole, go in! Now you guys are gonna be trapped today. And I'm gonna get you first. Ding it, I need you. Hello. Stop, Nicole! Nicole, why did you get in front of my face? You're a butthole! What's wrong? You put me in your face! Looks like she's using Vivian's words. Oh, that's weird. Hey, Nicole. Oh, looks like Cotton Candy's AFK. Nicole's just gonna. Where even is Nicole? Oh, hey, Nicole! Let's bring you back in the theater. Hey, Cotton! Are you a little trap player? Then let's bring you in the theater, where you will be trapped in harmony. Hey, Cotton Candy Pink. Cotton Candy Pink. She's gonna die in harmony. Thank you for letting her die in harmony. Thank you for letting her die in harmony. No, Nicole. Hey, Nicole. Nicole, are you trying to escape? Not in my words. Oh, Nicole. Poor Nicole. She tried to get out, but she couldn't. So then let's bring you over in the theater again. Or let's check the server room. Oh, hey, Cotton! Hey, Nicole. I smacked you first. She's gonna get up anyways. Stop me. And no! It did not work at all. I saw your hair! I saw your hair! Dang it! Huh? I'm gonna camp. I'm gonna camp. Be quiet. You camp too. Not yet. Not yet. Be not yet. Be stop being a rage. After. Hey, Nicole! Okay, now you can do something. Hey, she was there. Yeah, she was. She was right there. Yeah, she did. She just got there. Yeah, Nicole is dead. Thank you, Nicole. Hey, she saved you tons of times. Well, that's going to be the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye!